How to find who can see your future posts on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find who can see your future posts on Facebook mobile. And first let's go to Facebook and click these two lines and go down until you find settings and privacy, and then click settings and now click posts. And as you see here, you can find who can see your future posts on Facebook mobile. Then just click on it if you want to manage it, and click here. Now click this one right now and click here and click see more, and then just select see who can see the future posts. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.